Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so very much for being here. I do hope you are having an amazing day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do live streams, makeup hauls, giveaways. We do all kinds of fun stuff. Speaking of giveaways, always check the description box because if we have an active giveaway, it will be linked down below. And if you're new, like I said, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you guys join our YouTube family. As you can see, today we are going to be unboxing the Winter 2020 Get Kindness box. So before we dive into the box, I'm going to tell you a little bit about it in case you're unfamiliar. So this is a seasonal or quarterly lifestyle subscription box. It is $49.99 a season. You can purchase one-time boxes at $49.99 as well, or you can go ahead and prepay for a whole year for $179.99. Now, the Get Kindness box says, our box is designed around one theme, kindness. What this means to us is kindness towards yourself, kindness towards others, and kindness towards our planet. We carefully select every item with kindness in mind and you. Expect to find a mix of self-care items, fair trade, handcrafted, and environmentally friendly items. So, like I said, I will put a link down below for the Get Kindness box if you'd like to check it out. And without further ado, let's get in and see what we got in our, again, Winter 2020 box. Now, this is a fairly new subscription, so this is technically only, I believe, their second box. They had like an inaugural box in the summer, but their first official box was the fall 2019. So this winter 2020 is their second official box. So I do like here on the box, you see kindness there, and then kind you, kind community, kind earth. All right, so let's cut it open and see what we got for this season. All right, so I like what I see already. It says, New Year, New You. And on the back, actually here, it goes over all of the items in the box, so I do like that. And one thing I like about this box is they don't want any waste happening when they're talking about being environmentally friendly. So even down to what they use to pack the box can be like repurposed. So here is a little sneak peek, and we're going to read here what it says in the box. We hope you all had some wonderful holidays. Remember, this time of year can be rough. There's a lot of stress that comes with holidays. There's also less available natural light. These things can cause you to feel depressed, so check on yourself and check on your loved ones. You matter and so do they. All the kindness team. P.S. Don't forget to check out our raffle at getkindness.com/shop. Proceeds are being split between two causes. See site for more details. So I do also love that they give back. I think that is fantastic. So we are going to dive in. They have it closed up here with a pin. This kindness, kind of the same as the logo on the front of the box. And here it says, don't throw your wrap away. Here's an idea we came up on how you can repurpose it. So the pin was actually attached to this. So it says, we thought this fabric wrap would make something great. Included is a pattern to help you get started. You can find instructions on their website, www.getkindness.com/wraps. So that is nice. The fall box had like a pattern to make like a toboggan, so that was really fun. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull out this first big thing that's like staring at me, and that's what I'm assuming is a blanket, and it looks so cozy. This is from Yaya's house. Come to Yaya's house for all your custom sewing needs. The door is always open. And we actually did get something from Yaya's house in the last box as well. And it is, you guys, it is a blanket. And I can already tell you that this is going to be so soft and cozy. Oh my goodness. All right. So throw blanket, stay warm this winter under the super soft handmade blanket, and it is so soft, you guys. Like So soft. And I love the color because this in my opinion will go really with any decor. Doesn't matter. So I love that. All right. And then when we peel back our fabric, you can see the other goodies here in the box. All right, so then I guess to go along with our blanket and be cozy, we have got some really cozy socks. They're just as soft as the blanket. Love them. Oh, they feel so soft. Oh, okay. And I guess sticking on the comfy trend, we have a sleep mask. Thinking about taking a nap with your new blanket and socks? We've got you covered with this formed sleep mask. Now this, you can obviously see there's like a nose dip, but there's actually here little indentions for your eyes, so it's not gonna like press on your eyes, but that will definitely block out the sun. And it has a good adjustable strap, so it's really soft. I like that. Block out the sun and take a nap. Yes. All right, and then we have got, it says Motivational Journal. Stay on top of those New Year's resolutions with this motivational journal. You've got this. And it says, be you. And then you open it and it's just lined inside. So you can write down any of your New Year's resolutions. Keep it at, you know, a journal, or you could just jot down notes and everyday thoughts and things. Love stuff like this. All right, and then it says a pen. No journaling experience is complete without a nice new pen. Enjoy your new journal with this sleek rose gold pen. Oh, I love rose gold. It's in this like nice little velour bag. I love rose gold. What do you look like? So that is it is very sleek, like they said, and you just twist up. Can never have too many pens. All right, and then we have a lip balm. This is from Pioneer Soap Company, all natural nourishing honey lip balm. There you can see that. 'Tis the season for dry lips. Keep those kissers hydrated with this organic, eco-friendly lip balm. So I love stuff like this. I love lip balms, but these like this, it doesn't really have a scent. These are good for Christopher. He gets really chapped. Oh, welcome to Southern Mom. He gets really chapped lips. So I really like putting something like that on his nightstand, and he can just put it on when he needs to. So, all right, now this is, I'm assuming, the whipped body wash. We had this soap whipped up just for you. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, fun, and you can reuse the tub. Took me a second. I want to look at something. Okay. It's from the Rustic Cottage. It says, thank you for your purchase and supporting a small business. Plant the paper, watch it grow. I was wondering, when I took this out, it felt bumpy. As you guys can see, it says plant seed paper under 1/8 of an inch of soil, water thoroughly, place in a sunny corner, and keep moist during germination to grow wildflowers. Oh, I love that. That is awesome. And then here is the Rustic Cottage Company. Oh my gosh, toasted marshmallows, sugared vanilla bean, golden amber musk, whipped soap. It's 4 ounces. How do I open you and smell you? All right, so there is the package. Y'all, whip. Y'all, oh my gosh. That smells just, oh my goodness. and it's whipped, but it's still like a thick, I mean, you get it out easily. I know it's so, but it'll be all right. Oh my gosh. That smells so good. Oh my goodness. Okay. And then it says we got a loofah, so we have something to go with washing ourselves. So they definitely, with the blanket and the socks and the eye mask and then the journal and the pen and then the body soap or whipped body soap and a loofah with the lip balm, we're good. And there are still a couple of things in here. They usually put in little bonus items. So we will take a look and see what they are. And then here is the fabric that they use to wrap their stuff instead of like the squigglies. So you can take a look at the website and see how you can use that. So yeah, this is featured artisan bonus gift. So let's see. All right, so we have a couple, it looks like a couple things. This is a Ben's Bells kindness coin. Thank you for sharing your kindness. Pass it on. That's really pretty. Yep, this bonus gift was provided to you by Ben's Bells. Be kind, Ben's Bells Project. And then it looks like we also got some shoelaces. And a sticker. And then we still have something else. Oh. Change begins with you, Child Fund International. So we have a coffee cup here. Change their story and yours. That's what that says right there. While you sip something warm from this mug, please know that a blanket and pillow have been donated on your behalf through Child Fund International to help keep kids warm around the world. If you would like to join us in spreading more kindness, please sponsor a child by visiting www.childfund.org/getkindness. Oh, yeah. That just touched my heart. I just love that. That touched me. All right, so we have the coffee cup here. We have the shoelaces and the sticker and the little kindness coin. And then we got the loofah and the whipped soap, the lip balm. We got the super soft cozy blanket and fuzzy socks with the sleep mask, and then the journal and pen. So that was the winter 2020 Get Kindness box. Like I said, I will put a link down below. Definitely go check them out. I think they're doing amazing things, and I really, really love this box and the meaning behind it. So let me know your thoughts. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.